Hello dudes and dudettes! You are watching One Delicious Recipes, where recipes are always simple, wonderful, and delicious. You may need some agile assistance for the cooking. Hi, my name is Ines, and today we are making a one delicious Spanish omelet called the tortilla, also known as tortilla de patatas. The ingredients you are going to need today are 2 medium onions, 10 milliliters of olive oil. I use Spanish oil, 6 eggs, and finally, half a kilo of potatoes. Please note that these proportions are for 6 people only. Some optional ingredients you can add are chorizo, which is a Spanish sausage. This project will take approximately 45 minutes. Step 1. Peel, wash, and cut the potatoes into irregular pieces. Step 2. In a frying pan, put your 10 milliliters of olive oil to heat up. Step 3. Fry the potatoes at a medium-low heat until they are tender. You may need to do this in batches to make sure that all potatoes are evenly cooked, and make sure that the potatoes don't get too crispy or brown. Cut the onions in very thin half circles. Step 5. When you finish frying all the potatoes, do the same thing with the onions until they are transparent. That's go. Here's a note you might want to take. Soak the excess of oil from potatoes and onions with soaking paper. This is an optional step. Step 6. Mix the potatoes and the onions in a big bowl with a fork. It should look like this at the end. Step 7. In a separate bowl, break the eggs and beat them, and add a pinch of salt. Then stir the potatoes and onions using a fork. Before putting the egg inside the mixture of potato and onion, you need to let it cool down. And I have let it cool down, and now finally add a pinch of salt. Step 8. Heat a little bit of oil in another pan, which we have done. The size of your pan will be the final size of your tortilla. Step 9. Tip your mixture into the pan and cook on a moderate heat. Step 11. Once cooked, slide onto a clean plate and let it cool down for 10 minutes before serving. To give you the quantities and imperial measurements, I have rounded my calculations to 2 decimals, 1.10 pounds of potatoes, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. If you want a tortilla for 3 people, you divide the quantities I gave you by 2. You will use the following quantities: 250 grams potatoes, 3 eggs, 1 medium onion, and 5 milliliters of olive oil. Thanks for watching.